Guys, I am Brianna and we will talk about cellular respiration. Before we proceed to our specific topic, we will ask known what is the definition of cellular respiration. A cellular respiration is a metabolic process in which cells converted glucose or other organelle molecules into energy in the form of adenosine triphosphate or ATP. This process can occur aerobically with oxygen or anaerobically without oxygen depending on the organisms and environmental conditions. There are the three main stages of cellular respiration. The first one, glycolysis. The initial breakdown of glucose into pyruvate, a 3-carbon molecule, occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. This stage does not require oxygen and can therefore take place in both aerobic and anaerobic conditions. During glycolysis, a small amount of ATP is produced along with the electron carrier NADH. Second, citric acid cycle, or known as Krebs cycle. This cycle takes place in the mitochondrial matrix of eukaryotic cells and involves the further oxidation of pyruvate to carbon dioxide. The citric acid cycle produces a significant amount of NADH and FADH2, another electron carrier as well as a small amount of ATP. This stage requires oxygen. Electron transport chain. This final stage occurs on the inner mitochondrial membrane. The electron carrier NADH and FADH2 deliver electrons to a series of protein complex embedded in the membrane. As electrons move through this chain, energy is released, which is used to pump protons across the membrane, creating a proton gradient. This gradient drives the production of ATP by the enzyme ATP synthesis. This stage requires oxygen as the final electron acceptor. Did you know that cellular respiration has two types? The two types of cellular respiration is aerobic and anaerobic. The aerobic respiration is the most efficient form of cellular respiration, yielding a net gain of 30 to 32 ATP molecules per glucose molecule. This process is essential for most organisms including animals, plants, and many bacteria. The anaerobic respiration is used by some organisms, particularly bacteria, when oxygen is scarce. These organisms use alternative electron acceptors such as sulfate or nitrate instead of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration is less efficient than aerobic respiration, yielding fewer ATP molecules. That's all. Thank you for watching.